Hello, welcome back to another video. Today in this video we are going to learn about how to download eNaira application on your mobile device. Before jumping into the video, make sure that you have subscribed to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also turn on the notification bell for more updates. Now moving back to our video, make sure your device is connected to the internet. Then open Play Store on your device. After opening Play Store, in the search bar type eNaira, then press the search button. After that, Play Store will show you results what we are looking for, and right beside the result there will be a green install button. Press there. After pressing the install button, Play Store will then start your download. To learn more about this application, go inside and there you will find an area where it is written about this app. There you can learn more about this application. In the meantime, your application will be successfully installed in your Android device. Then you can use it to its fullest. I hope the tutorial video was helpful for you. If so, like this video, comment down in the comment box if you have any questions or feedbacks. We will be back soon with more tutorial videos. Till then, goodbye.